the highways would be way worse than this. Because there's nothing blocked on it. And the drifts pretty hard. Because it's heavy snow, drifts heavy and hard. And when you hit the drift, it's like hitting a puddle of water. Just hard. I hope I left it.